If you're looking to buy your first property, here's some quick math on how you can determine how much money you need to buy the property. So let's say in this case, you're gonna live in the property. I highly suggest that you house hack on your first property so that you can have someone pay for part of your rent, but also it's really cheap to do. And here's the quick math. Let's say I wanna buy a property for $400K, and that's, in Washington, in the Seattle area, it's hard to do, but you can still find an intro house for about $400K. So if I'm gonna buy a $400,000 house and it's my first property, I can put down 3.5%. So let's do 3.5%, and this is an FHA loan. For an FHA loan at 3.5% of $400K, that's $14,000. So I need a $14,000 down payment to buy this $400,000 house. But guess what? There's also closing costs. Closing costs are typically about 2% of the purchase price. So closing costs, it's going to be about $8,000. $8,000. So $8,000 plus $14,000, that's $22,000. $22,000, you can buy a $400,000 asset, and you can have tenants pay for part of this asset, making you a lot more money in the future. Go buy your first property, save up the money, and get going.